Hello, I'm Adelina. For over 2 decades, I've had the privilege of helping individuals and businesses, both small and large, to transform through the powerful practice of Feng Shui. Today, I'm excited to invite you to my upcoming Feng Shui course. Whether you're new to Feng Shui or looking to deepen your knowledge, our comprehensive course is designed for you. You will learn the fundamentals of Feng Shui, how to apply its principles to your home and workplace, and how to create environments that promote health, wealth, and happiness. This course will enable you to calculate yearly energy influences and identify and tap into positive energies. For example, opportunities, interpersonal relationships, and increasing your focus. You will also learn how to suppress and reduce the impact of negative energy flow to reduce stress, conflicts, and bad health. This leads me to my personal story. Some of you may already know this, but let me share how I landed in this field of Feng Shui. I started my career in Feng Shui quite unexpectedly. When my elder daughter was very young, she had a persistent nagging whooping cough that seemed almost asthmatic. Despite consulting many doctors, we couldn't find a solution. One day, a colleague suggested that I look into Feng Shui, hinting that something in our home might be affecting her health. At that time, my spouse and I were a young modern couple, and we dismissed Feng Shui as mere superstition. However, out of desperation, I decided to give it a try. The Feng Shui master who visited our home advised us to make some unusual changes. Initially, it all seems quite strange, but I was willing to try anything to help improve my daughter's health. I was told the position of my daughter's bed was impacting her health. After adjusting it, her condition improved significantly, and thus, this experience ignited my passion for Feng Shui. I decided to find out more about Feng Shui and studied under the late Grandmaster Yap Cheng Hai. He put us through a very rigorous training, but I persisted and continued learning. During those early years, we formed a special bond. As he was from Malaysia, whenever he was in town to do consultations and projects, he would request for me to shadow him on client visits and discuss very practical applications of Feng Shui. Under his tutelage, I eventually became one of Grandmaster Yap's certified masters. Only then I was allowed to teach. That journey began over 20 years ago. Fast forward today, I'm a grandmother of two adorable grandkids, aged 2 and 5. Reflecting on my career, I'm grateful for the unexpected path that led me to Feng Shui and the profound and positive impact it has had on my life and the lives of my clients. Importantly, I cherish the trust and friendship that I've built with my clients over the years. In fact, many of the children of my clients have now become my second generation clients, which is a testimonial of the enduring relationship and trust that has developed over the years. Throughout the years, I've also had the privilege of working with clients from various industries, and my engagements are global in spectrum, allowing me to apply Feng Shui principles in diverse environments and culture. So, I'm sure you'll be asking me, why now? Many of you have been asking me personally for quite some time now. Adelina, why don't you set up a school to teach and impart your knowledge? To be honest, I've been so busy with my existing clients that I've never really thought much about it. But I feel the time is right now that I start on this to start to distill some of my knowledge into practical applications for our modern home. You see, Feng Shui has origins in ancient times, but we now live in a vastly different era where we are overloaded with information. But it is the right information that you need and the right approach to applying the information that will then yield the results that you seek. Stay tuned for more updates, and please do leave me your details if you are interested in the upcoming launch of my course. Thank you for watching.